Oh, we're not doing roast today, but we're doing Escovietch, and it's one of my favorites. So, Andre, I want you to just tell us how we're going to start this big Sunday meal for everybody, because we have a lot to do.
Yes, we do.
So, I'm going to help you. I mean, I've already helped him prepare. I've cut up the pumpkin, the potato. Why are you laughing, Andre? You know it was me. Okay, he did all the preparation. I'm just here to talk, feel good, and eat good. This is Taste Jamaica. Let's start cooking live. Andre, where do we start?
Are we going to do the Escovietch sauce first? Yeah. Let it soak for a while. Okay, and then we get to the fried fish.
Okay, so Escovietch, let's go. What's in it?
Well, we got onions and pepper. We're going to put pimento in it and vinegar.
Okay. I love the smell of pimento. All right, so we have the pimento, we have the onion. Let's start cooking.
Okay.
All right, so Escovietch, we don't have to talk about the origin. It's our food, it's Jamaican food. Some people say it may have come from the Spaniards, etc. But we own it, we cook it, and we cook it the best. And for all my foreigners, when we cook our fish and we fry it down, we fry the whole fish, the head and all. And you know some of you love to eat the eye and eat the head. Well, we're giving it all to you. Andre, let's start chopping the onions. This is how we make our Escovietch sauce. After we fry the fish, we will then top it up with this special sauce that Andre is preparing. All right, so he's chopping up his onion. I'm gonna go, here's a bowl. All right. So as we also promote eat what you grow and grow what you eat, my people, if you want to get this kind of food at home, you have to start grow your onions, grow your Scotch bonnet, and what else? And your pimento. What I'm going to do though, Andre, is take the some seeds from your pepper, dry it out, put it in my garden.
You going to grow some?
So I can grow some pepper. All right. So we have the onion here. This is some vinegar that I put in a beautiful glass for you, because vinegar is a part of the Escovietch sauce that we put on top of the fried fish. You're going to make it hot, Andre?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's go. So the onion, you want to put it in here, or you want me to wait?
You can put it in
What's
there.
next?
Pepper
All right.
also.
All hands have been washed and sanitized, people. We are well clean. All right, so all the onion in here. Just gonna get the pepper together. I can feel that Scotch bonnet right now. Eyes watering already. It's the onion.
Yeah,
I'm like, why are my eyes watering? It's the onion, not the Scotch bonnet. I love Scotch bonnet. Oh my goodness. So you see those little seeds, Andre? Let me take some to put in my home garden.
I'm going to give you a whole pepper to do that.
Okay, all right, cool. All right, he's chopping that up. Okay, so very important. You see how he's chopped it up? Not too fine. You're not going any finer than that.
No, not
You're keeping it in chunks.
Yeah.
All right.
You can go finer if you want. But
Okay, so here we are, onion rings. All right, cut your onions. Just and we're gonna lay that out on top after we fry up the fish. Excelente. All right.
That should do.
All right, so we're gonna drop this in here. A bun, you want me to bun off my hand, Andre?
Of course. You're helping.
Lord of mercy.
You don't
Andre,
have to.
I'm gonna have to wash my hands good after that. All right, here's the pepper in here. Ooh, look at those seeds. All right, so there's the pepper, Andre. What's next?
You can add the pimento also.
Add so how much pimento? Here are the pimento seeds. How many?
You can put a little bit more.
More? Okay. So about this much pimento in a bowl of this. Okay. I put my pimento in. Let me put one more for good luck. There we go. All right, pimento. What else?
You put the salt.
Yep. The
Flavor,
pinch.
yeah.
A pinch of salt?
Yeah.
More than a pinch. All right, because you know this needs to have a. There we go. How's that?
Yeah,
That's good?
Yeah.
All right. There we go. Some salt. What else?
Okay. And finally the vinegar.
Ooh, my vinegar in here. Thank you, Andre. There we go. Some vinegar.
think
We need
you
a
need
little
some-
bit
yeah, need
more.
some more.
Don't worry. I always have more. I like to do it from the glass. It just makes it different. Makes it feel more exotic, you know. Straight from the bottle. But when you're in Hellshire, you go straight from the
Yeah,
bottle.
straight from
though.
the bottle.
Yeah, we're just fancying it up in my house, you know. just because we
Still
can.
need some more.
Some more. Look
Yes.
straight from the buckle, yeah? We don't have time for the fancy business. All right, so we fill the bowl to the top with
that's
some
okay.
vinegar. And this is our, what do you call this now? This is our
Escovietch,
escovietch. All right, so we
Stir
just,
it a little bit. So
stirring it. All right, so that's that. So we're going to sit this down in the fridge or outside? It's
Outside,
fine.
let it soak for a while.
Let it soak? All right, so this will sit and soak while we prepare now our fish to fry.
Yes.
All right. So that's step one. Let me wash my hands, all that pepper. Come on, Dre, we gotta go. The people are hungry. It's Sunday. Welcome to Taste Jamaica. We are cooking live, and I am already hungry. You know when you're cooking and your belly start go, you know that feeling?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you eat while you cook, or you wait till the end?
I think you'll have to wait till the end.
You wait till the end? All right, well, let's go. I'm hungry. Talk to them, Andre. Let me wash my hands.
Well, we're going to do the Escovietch fish. So we're going to core the fish first.
Okay. Oh, so you slice it up, you cut it like
so
that.
you can season it properly.
I'm getting my flour ready, Andre, after this, because we're going to make some festival after we get
You
the
just
fish.
want to make the festival.
Yeah, because none of us, well, my girlfriends and I don't know how to make festival. We always buy festival.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Never tried it at home?
You know, I've never really known. Dumpling, fried dumpling, boiled dumpling, everything except festival. So I can't wait for you to show me.
Okay.
So you cut both sides
Yes.
so that the seasoning rubs into
Yeah, and
the
soak
fish.
quickly.
All right, let's keep going.
So we're going to use the black pepper and salt and pimento. We crushed the pimento.
Oh, you already crushed it in.
Give it some flavor.
Okay, so salt, pepper, and pimento has already been blended together. We did this right before we came on live. So let's do it, Andre. I'm hungry. All right. You see how the man rub it in nice, okay? For all of you who've just been slapdashing that fish, you're not doing it the right way. And that's why the Hellshire fish at Bev & Sons tastes so good, all right? And right there, oh, you have to open it up.
Yes.
Well cleaned snapper. This is red snapper
Yes, this
from
it
our
is.
Jamaican waters.
Yes.
All right. So you see, everything here has been, we grow everything in Jamaica. This is so cool. All the crackers, which will be going in the steamed fish, everything is made in Jamaica. So we're excited about that. All right, scallion, thyme. Ooh, can't wait. So no scallion and thyme in the Escovietch.
No, no.
We're saving that for the steamed
Steamed
fish,
fish, yes.
which we're going to show you how to make it. I did invite most of you to buy some fish, so I hope you are working with us, all right? Keeping up. Let's keep going, Andre.
Okay.
How many we doing? 3?
Yeah.
All right. Cool. All right, I'm just checking. What you looking for, Andre? What you need, Andre?
I'm going to get the pot.
Okay, you just frying 3?
You
And
want
I'm
to?
eating 2?
You're
No,
eating
man.
2?
And 5, yeah? No, man, you're not easy.
You
Come
want
on.
more than 3?
Yeah, yeah, man. I want 4 because I want to carry some home to my children. I'm not giving away any on Instagram. Did I cut it all right?
Well, not correctly.
He said I didn't cut it correctly. Well, let me show you how to rub it then. Since I didn't cut it, let me show you.
Okay, you can
all
do
right,
that.
All right, how me stay? I like mine salty. You know. This one is mine. How me stay, Andre?
That's fine.
Right in there. You know what, sometimes you have to all juke it up, so it get everywhere.
Yeah, probably, but that's not necessary since you're cored 3 times already.
Okay, all right. We're not juke up the
So you're only
fish.
doing 4 or you're doing more than
No,
4?
do 4. Just do 4.
Okay.
And we'll seam the rest.
All right.
All right, so what's next now? It's all seasoned.
Yes.
So you don't put a little salt on the head, so when
Not
you're chewing up in
necessarily,
the head,
it's
it like, you know?
It's okay.
No, it's okay? All right. This is Bev & Sons fish. I'm not going to mash it up, okay? I'm going to listen to you, Andre.
Yeah, we're going to head to the stove now.
Yeah.
We're gonna get the oil hot.
All right. So you want, I'm going to turn on and get, maybe we should fry 4 and steam 3. What do you think?
5.
5?
Yeah.
All right. You do this one. All right. And I'm going to get the oil in the pot, and then we're going to move over to the stove. All right. Washing my hands every 5 seconds. Because cleanliness is next to godliness, we say in Jamaica, my people. All right, Andre. So it's simple, just salt, pepper, and pimento. A lot of people forget to crush the pimento though, Andre. Andre,
Yes.
I hope I'm not over oiling this pot, you know.
I'll come check.
All right.
But I think the more is better.
Because you're trying to fry the whole,
Fish, yeah. So
All right.
when there's more, it's so.
so you want more.
Yeah, more.
All right,
I
okay.
think you can throw it like maybe half the bottle.
Wow. Oh, you're going deep fried.
Yeah.
Oh, I get you. All right, come in, team. Let's show them what we're doing. All right. All right, let's turn on the stove then.
Maybe a little bit more.
Little bit more? All right, you do that. Bottle is sticky. All right, that's the
Okay.
fried fish. Whew. All right. So here we are. Andre, just turn on the stove there for me. All right, I'm gonna bring out this bammy. I think we're gonna have fried bammy with it.
Yes, we're gonna add fry bammy.
All right, so Andre's gonna show us how to fry the bammy. I'm just taking out some bammy to fry, and I think we're gonna steam some as well later. Now, Bevan Sons fried fish is amazing. Now, I did put the lime here because I personally like to squeeze a little lime on my fish sometimes, but Andre said not necessary
Not necessary.
at all. So we're gonna listen to Andre today. All right, so are we going over to the pot or how are we gonna fry the bammy?
We're just gonna slice it up and fry it. We don't normally soak it in anything.
You don't soak it,
No,
just
we don't.
straight fry.
Fried, yeah.
All right, Jamaican bammy. Have you
Yes.
ever seen how they make bammy?
No, I've never really
It's
seen it.
it's so cool. Yeah, but we'll talk about that.
Okay.
So we can make bammy. Okay, we'll talk about that in a minute. But let's get the fish over to the fire because you know I'm hungry. Okay, it's got to heat up, right?
Yeah, it's gonna take a while.
Oh, okay. So should we cut up or should we season for the steam same time?
Well,
Or do you want to cut up the bammy to
yes,
fry?
just gonna do for the.
There you go. All right. Here, you can cut it on here. This is my special cutting board from country. Granny used to cut on this piece of board here, you know? So it's going to taste even better.
Yes.
All right, so we just slice it up. This was in the freezer, correct?
No,
No?
this was actually fresh.
Ooh, fresh
Yeah, we
bammy.
got it fresh.
Ooh. That's why it tastes good at Bevan Sons.
Yeah.
All right, we're cooking it up live. So we don't soak it, we don't put anything
we
on the
don't soak
bammy,
it, no.
straight to the fire.
Yes.
My braces, I don't know if I can eat
No,
it.
it won't be hard.
It won't be hard? Because sometimes they fry some tough, you ever eat them tough bammy people?
No, well, it depends on who makes it.
All right.
Yes. Some
Andre
people-
said his bammy is not tough.
No.
So why are you slicing it like that?
So
now?
it soaks quicker.
Okay.
It doesn't
Okay.
have to be in the oil for a long time.
Ah, so he you slit down the middle so it fries quicker.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't know that trick, Andre. Thank you so much for that. All right, let me get something here. I want to get the steam fish going just because I want to have everything on the fire
Okay.
kind of at one time, okay? So let's season. Talk to my people, my people, my people. Let's taste Jamaica with Andre. Tell them how we season our steam fish. I brought some thyme.
Thyme,
Yeah.
yeah.
Thyme from the backyard, scallion from the backyard. That's how we eat what we grow what we eat, and cook it up with Andre. Andre, here you go.
Well, that's not first though.
Oh, so what's first? Season.
We're gonna season the fish first.
Same seasoning mix.
Yes.
I got
But
you.
we're not gonna core them this time.
Oh, okay. Yeah. We don't need to do that.
We don't need
no.
to do that.
Okay. I'm going to get the bammy into something here until we're ready for it. All right. Bammy ready to fry. Now we have 2 sets of seasoning here, Andre. This is like the all seasoning
Yeah,
that we
all
buy.
seasoning, yes.
And the salt and pepper.
Pepper seed, yeah. Okay. All right. Now when we have the pot, you need to bring them in the pot.
You want the pot now?
Yeah.
All right, straight to the pot, my boss?
Yes.
All right,
So
sir.
we're gonna add all the seasoning.
Here is my pot for you. All right, talk to me. Andre, the pot can only hold 1 fish.
No, it can hold all 3 of them.
Andre, this pot cannot hold more than 1 fish.
It can hold all 3.
All right, let me see. And you're going to put all of the pumpkin in there too?
Yes.
All right, Andre.
Well, not all. You don't need all the pumpkin.
Okay. He's right. It's fitting in. All right. I knew I had the right pot.
No, you didn't.
All right. So, thank you. Sure, sir.
Okay.
At your service, Andre. Let me rinse this off. I can see my oil is slowly getting there. All right, Andre, talk us through what you're doing.
Well, I'm going to chop up the Irish and the pumpkin and the okra.
Okay.
Could you bring me the...
Oh, you want that
yeah.
back? Sure. All righty. Here we are. It looks so pretty. Oh, I love food. All right. So, you want some okra too? Oh, you
Yeah,
have
I
some.
already
Okay,
have
all
some.
right, cool. All right. I'm growing okra in my backyard too. You know that?
So you have everything
I
there.
got everything. And I'll call you when it's time to cook it up. All right, so that's how you slice up the potato.
Yes.
All right. Potato. Are there any other ingredients that you can put in a steamed fish? I mean, you have crackers that are going to
You
go
can
into
put
it too.
like carrot if you want. That's if you want. Maybe chocho.
Okay.
You can put chocho if you want.
You a
But
long
it-
time you don't eat chocho.
Yeah, it's been a while since I've seen it.
Yeah, chocho still sell. I can hear the oil frying. I mean, heating up. Not ready yet, but I can hear it. Okay, let's go. Well, steamed fish and okra, what some people really love. A very Jamaican thing. Steamed fish and okra means many things, but today it means a very tasty meal. Thanks to Andre from Bev & Sons. So this is what TEF has been doing with the Tourism Linkages Network. You can see the series on Sundays at 2 o'clock. We've had some amazing chefs. And today, you know, I just decided to tag along because I love food. And one of my favorite dishes in the world is Escovietch fish. I love fried fish too, you know. But this...
So that means you're going to visit us.
Oh, of course. Of course. The borders are opening up, tourism, and we're talking about local tourism as well. People, go to Bev & Sons at Health Show, all right, and try the food there. It may taste a little better than it does in my kitchen, but we'll see. Let's see. All right, we'll chop up the okra now. Yes. Woo, Sunday dinner is here. All right. So you cut off the ends.
Yeah.
And okra is really easy to grow in your garden, people. Doesn't take more than about 3 months or so, and you'll see yourself. Yeah, but let's say by 3 months you're harvesting well. You know, you can walk out and pick some okra. I think mine took 3 months to get to full, full harvest. And pumpkin is so easy to grow.
Yeah.
Listen, you should see my pumpkins, Andre. This is so exciting.
I'm coming over to see, so
I know.
you can show me.
I know. We just have to step outside after this. All right, let me check on the oil. I'll let you know. I put my hand over it.
You can add a pepper here.
Oh, yes,
To
yes.
flavor
I was
the-
going to say. So, when you're frying the fish, put a Scotch bonnet in the oil. It changes the flavor
yeah.
of your fish. So, I'm going to go put this in. All right, it's in there. Andre, I noticed you didn't bring garlic. Garlic's not a big thing for your Escovietch and stuff?
Well, not really.
Okay, just wondering. You see,
we do use it, but
Right, not all the time.
All the time,
Oh, this looks so pretty. This is colorful. Oh my goodness. All right, so we have everything that we need in here.
no, gonna add the thyme and the scallion.
Okay, here's
I think
the
we need
thyme.
more.
I'm gonna get you some more scallion,
Yeah.
no problem. When you grow what you eat, you always have an abundance of food and seasoning. All right, I'm coming to you, Andre. I got you. And voila! It is the scallion for you. All right, we're on a boat. Everybody in the house are going to eat good today. How many people can't eat? Because I'm eating one steam and one fried. So,
That is 6.
let me tell you something. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 6 left? So, 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah. Just enough. Just enough. And I'm not cutting mine in half and sharing. You know
Don't
that.
have to.
Okay. So, as I said earlier, I know a lot of foreigners who come to Jamaica and it's their first time eating steamed fish or escovietch. It's the first time seeing the whole snapper on a plate. A lot of foreigners are not used to seeing the whole fish. You cannot, I don't believe you can say it's escovietch if it's not the whole fish. I mean, it's the same sauce, flavor.
Some people doesn't like the head, so we'd have cut the head off. So.
Right, but it just doesn't feel like you reach a Jamaica and you eat fish if you don't have the whole fish. That's just my opinion. But you can use sliced fish, right, Andre, and other types of fish?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
But some people don't like the sliced fish. But.
Right. Alrighty. Okay. So, there we go. So, after we do this now, we have this all seasoning?
Yes, we're going to add some of that there.
Okay, let me allow you to do that.
Spoon?
Yes. What do you need spoon for? When back in the days we didn't have spoons, you know, Andre. We just shake it, man. Come on, you're natural with the thing when you're with me. Yeah, shake it in, man. Yes. You see, when you put the metal to the food, it changes things, you know, Andre.
Okay,
this is a different fish today.
I didn't know that.
All right, cool.
Okay, we're not the onion.
Oh yes, I forgot onion. I love when chefs just cut. It just looks so easy. All right, boom, boom, boom. There you go. That's how you cut an onion, people, when you're steaming it. Notice we did it a little different. We did it a little differently for the escovietch. All right. My pot is getting hot, Andre. The Scotch bonnet is...
It's bubbling?
It's bubbling, yes. So once your oil is... Well, the Scotch bonnet sure is bubbling. Yeah, it looks just about ready. So by the time we finish this, we're going to put the two of them on the fire.
Okay.
And then while they're cooking, we're going to come and show you how to get ready. Festival! Oh, to make festival and what's in festival.
I'm going to add some butter.
You want some butter? Let me get the butter for you. I have some butter here. There you go. All right. Butter is what makes the steamed fish taste extra good.
Yes.
All right. And real butter, right? Okay. Ooh, the onion in my eyes.
I don't think I need that.
No, okay.
Yeah,
So it's just like a half?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll put that back in the fridge. All right, so this, it looks so nice. Yes.
Yes, so that's it. So
That's
we're just
it.
going to add the water to it and then put it on the stove.
And we add the crackers when?
When it starts, like maybe 3 minutes before it's finished.
Yeah. Steamed fish without crackers is not steamed fish. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, my people. Thanks to Andre, our pot is ready to be steamed. Let's make our way over to the stove where the oil is hot. All right.
It's hot.
It's very hot, Andre. I don't know if I got it too hot or what, but I'm about to get this one on for you so we can heat up over here.
Add some water in there.
Yes, we're going to add some water. Oh, nearly forgot the water. How can you steam fish without water, people? All right, so this is on. We're going to add some water, Andre. All right.
Okay. I'm going to add the first fish.
All right. So right as he gets ready to get the first fish, I'm going to put some water in the concoction here, the steamed fish concoction, with all the most beautiful herbs and seasonings,
Okay,
right from Jamaica. Hold on, Andre, I'm putting in the water before you put in the first fry one. You can tell me how much water I'm supposed to put in here. It's my second bowl.
You can put some more.
Put some more, all right. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, this is so much fun. Oh, there we go. I can start to see my water. I think I'm ready to steam.
Yeah, that's good.
That's it?
Yeah, that's good.
All right, so we're just going to leave it and let it
Yeah,
go?
you can use the cover and cover it.
All right, let me find my cover. Yeah, sometimes I don't know where anything is in my kitchen, but we're good now.
Yeah, we're good now.
All right, Andre. Ooh, the little tail didn't want to pop over.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to fry the fish. Let's
Yes.
do it.
Okay.
My favorite. Yum, yum, yum. Andre, I'll make it bun me up, you know. Watch ya. Ooh. You hear that? Sizzling. So we're gonna fry 2 at a time because of the
Maybe
size
3,
of my pot.
Yeah, maybe 3 if it can hold.
Let's see. There we go. Alrighty. So the steamed fish is on the fire. We're frying this up. Let's run over and start the festival and we'll come back and forth.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Join us for some festival. How to make festival? We're going to show show you right now. Can you smell the food yet? This is a new digital world. Soon you'll be able to eat from Instagram, okay? All my Facebook Live people, soon I'll be able to go like this, whoa, and then coming through the phone, you can just smell the aroma of my steamed fish and okra. All right, I'm getting excited. This is too much. I really wish I could give you all some, and I will one day when we meet at Bev & Sons. But for now, we taste Jamaica digitally, and here is another moment you've all been waiting for and asking for, how to make
The festival.
festival bag of flour ready. I have some baking powder
Yes.
ready. I have some sugar ready. Sugar. All right, Andre, talk me
We need
through.
the salt as well.
Oh yes, salt. Okay, I always have salt for you. Okay, so Andre, take us through how
Alright,
to make festival.
We're gonna add all the sugar.
I can't tell you how much sugar that is, but all of the bag there. You know when we talk, just put like a bit, man. Like, you know, put like a cup.
And the baking powder as well.
All right. So that much sugar. Our quantities are how we feel right now, right, Andre?
Yes.
It's how we feel. We
how we
just
feel,
look on the
yes.
amount and put that amount in the pot.
And
All
the
right.
salt.
You see? That much salt. Yeah. Because, you know, I don't know about my grandma talking about, 1 cup to 1 pint to 1. We just cook. You understand? They just feel it. You know how much should go in there. All right, some flour.
I'm not gonna add all the flour.
Not all the flour.
Not all
About
the
half of that bag there.
No, not half, maybe a quarter.
A quarter of that
Yes.
bag right there. Thank you. All right, I'm going to put this back.
Don't put it too far, we're gonna need that after.
We're going to need it again.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes, I'm gonna need some water. So,
water?
yeah, please.
Sure. Ooh, that fish is frying good there, Andre. You know, I really give God thanks on this day where I can eat. Oh, Sunday dinner.
You're
It's
gonna
on.
pour it for me.
Oh, sorry. Tell me when to stop.
No, sure, all of it.
All right, all of it?
Yes.
You need a little more, Andre?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. See, I know what I'm doing, Andre.
I think you do.
This is a great activity for the children, to be able to have them, you know, making festival with
Not
you.
all, not all.
It's a great family affair when everybody can get in the kitchen. Andre, for example, we can wake up in the morning, the kids go and cut off a piece of okra from the
Yes.
garden. They bring it in, right? They
Okay.
go cut some thyme from the garden. In the meantime, mommy's preparing and washing the fish. Yeah, daddy's getting the Escovietch together.
Yeah.
We can go cut some peppers.
Yeah.
And the children come and they can, what do you call it, knead the dough, rub it up.
I think
Yeah.
they would enjoy this more.
I know, right? Looks very, very messy. Actually, I don't think I'm going to give them that
Yeah,
part of
yeah.
the job.
It's not gonna be finished.
No. All right. So festival, a little different to dumpling, my people. And tell them the difference, Andre. We add sugar, which is, well, some people put little sugar in a dumpling, you know.
That's not dumpling.
I know, that's festival.
Yeah.
So we need to tell them the difference between dumpling and festival. Where you
You
go?
can bring the flour now.
You want more flour?
Yeah.
Because we need to get it to the right texture,
Sure,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
You can
Right
add it for me.
consistency? Sure. All right. Try that. Come on. See how that works, eh?
Yeah. I'm gonna need some more.
Yeah. All right. So this is the part where you want to kind of taste it now, no?
I don't have to.
You don't have to.
No.
But I feel like I want to taste it.
You will.
All right. Bring this up a little for me. Thank you.
Mhm.
All right. Tell me when to. Some more?
Yeah.
All right. There we go.
Okay.
All righty.
And you can put this down and check on the fish for me.
Yes, I'm going to check on the fish, Andre. Anything you say, because I know I'm the one eating it. I will gladly check on that fish over here. Andre,
Yes.
it's a frying now.
It's starting to get
But
gold.
it don't reach that golden brown.
It's not?
We're not golden brown yet. I like when, yeah, it needs to reach like a golden brown
Yes.
color. That's when you know it's really ready. You don't want to over fry either.
No.
So how long do we normally fry the fish for?
Maybe about 10 minutes. Maybe.
Okay. It's not 10 minutes
It
yet.
depends on the fire.
Okay. Now, while you're doing that, Andre, I need to taste a piece of your okra. Raw.
Okay.
Because I'm hungry.
Can I get some more flour?
It's so nice.
You
Can
know,
I-
you can wait on the fish though.
I'm too hungry.
Okay, I think that should be fine.
Yep. The question I want to ask all of you is, are you one of those people who eat off the food while you're cooking and by the time the food is ready, you're not hungry? I'm not that person. But raw okra tastes nice. It is so good. You need to try this.
I think most viewers would say no.
That's soon come. It is so good. Giving my sister a piece. Taste it. No. Go ahead. Eat this top part. Taste it. Crunchy. Yummy. See, I told you. You see, if you run out of gas at home and you can't steam up the okra, you eat it raw. I bet you didn't know that one, people. All right.
I think this is about right.
This is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we've put the mixture together. You can see the texture right there. You can see the color. This is festival, not dumpling.
Okay.
So what do we do next? You need a
Right,
tray?
I'm just gonna wash my hand now first.
You want one of these?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna get you ready here. So to my girlfriends who asked how to make festival, well, now you have it. See how easy it is? But the trick is the next part now. Getting the right, what do you call it? The right shape before we put it. We're frying the festival in the same pot as the oil?
Yes.
As the fish?
Yes.
Because it keeps the flavor. It
Yes.
gives a nice flavor. So we're going to fry it in that same pot. I'm going to check on the fried fish. Andre is going to come now and show us how the next step in making our festival at home. All right, Andre, I'm checking the fish.
Okay.
Over to you. Not at that golden brown yet. Soon get there, I think. Not yet. All right. Let's see. Today is a good day. All right, Andre, talk us through.
Well, I'm actually gonna roll the festival now.
Okay, so that's the term I was looking for. We're going to roll the
Yeah,
festival.
roll the festival.
Right. There we go. So festival is always in that shape. Why don't we do like round festival and heart-shaped festivals and, you know, like triangular festival? Like, can we get fancy with our festival?
I'm not sure. I think it's best to stick to what you know.
Andre said, we are cook Jamaican food. Nobody come with the circle festival and the triangles. I was just thinking about kids and shapes and how much fun it would be to have a different kind of festival for the picnic them. Andre said, stick to what you know. We're sticking to our
I'm
culture.
not saying they can't do it.
No,
but
me hear you. Roll it, nice and long. Yeah, Andre, check on the fried fish. I mean, it's not 100 there, you know.
I think you still can turn it.
Turn it,
Yes.
Andre. You sure?
Yeah, man. You need help?
Why need to turn on the oil so much anyway?
All right, I'll come help you.
Yeah, you come turn this. And let me go roll festival. But it looks, see
Like-
Andre, this is my thing. Why turn it when there's so much oil in the pot? I thought you could just sit like that and when it's ready you
No,
take it
because-
off. The top part not getting the
because-
bottom.
One side would be too fried, maybe
Yeah.
dry.
You know I was
And then
looking
what's-
for my tongs. Oh, you know where the tongs are in my kitchen.
You wasn't looking.
Oh, okay. All right, turn it now. You see how them hit you?
Yes, I know. I was fearing that, but
That's what I tell you, you know.
I think maybe I can turn all three
Ooh,
one
all
time.
one time on
Yes.
there. There you go. I get you.
Yes,
Read
you
the
can turn
front.
all
Yeah,
three one
I
at
see it.
once.
Fish eye. People, hey, my dad loves fish eye.
You know?
Yeah, do you like fish eye?
Yes. If I roast it.
Oh, I
If I
get
roast
you. Fish eye, man. All
You see,
right.
it's kind of getting this golden color now
Yes, yes,
on this side.
yes.
Yeah, so it won't be long now. That. So,
I get you. All right, the fried fish is coming. My steamed fish is on.
yeah, I'm gonna check on that as well. See if it
Yeah,
starts.
it hasn't
boil.
started
It has
boiling, but let's check.
No, it hasn't yet, but it's
Just
getting there.
heating
You
up.
can see the
The
bubbles.
butter
Yeah.
melting. Yeah. Yummy. Okay, so we see some of our chefs live on Instagram joining us, which is fun, telling us that maybe 5 pounds of flour for this process. Yeah, man, them are give me the pound, we are give them the feeling. So I want to big up all the Jamaican chefs that are joining us and have joined us before on the Taste Jamaica Live. And we are going to keep cooking. All right, the temperature's hot up in here. All right, so let's get some more of this festival. Lord, Andre,
it's
we
soft.
can't manage it, man.
Yes, you have to get it like that to fry it.
So you don't give me any room.
Yeah, because I already did some. You need
Oh.
a different plate for yourself.
Well, hold my, Lord have mercy. Why so sticky on my hand, Andre? No, man, feel.
Because you need to get this
I
texture.
need more flour. Mine can't, I can't, you're not, Andre, this is a hot mess. My festival, no, sir. Andre, look at me.
Yes, exactly.
struggling.
Because you don't know what you're doing.
Oh my gosh, you're rude. Andre, I'm coming to Bev and Sons. We can't manage, no,
So you're
sir.
going to destroy all of what I made.
Oh, sorry. Let me fix up your festival. You know what? Let me come. I'm rolling my one little piece here, and I'm taking away myself. This one I'm frying, so I'm going to make a shape with it. Because Andre says, I can't do it. I'm going to try something special. All right, Andre. So with the fried bammy, we're not ready for that yet?
Yeah, we're going to do the fry bam when we're doing the festival.
Okay. I just want to make sure that my special one festival over here makes the pot. All right, people. Again, I want to say a special hello to all our chefs on there watching, all our Jamaicans abroad who are watching. This is the first time. I mean, the festival, boy,
You
Andre
didn't
took
ta- you
away
didn't
all
taste
of the
it.
flour. I didn't taste it.
Yes,
I'm
you
going to
didn't.
taste it. Yeah.
You can taste the sugar. You taste the sugar?
Nice. That's what make festivals are nice.
Not necessarily, but it helps.
It tastes good. All right, so I'm doing a special festival. Mine is called
I don't know what that is.
Round Festival. Let's see if I can get it round. We're getting there though.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that festival. Look, Andre said we're gonna stick to the Jamaican festival. I'm bringing a new twist. This is what you call the Round Festival, baby. This one new. Gotcha. You think it's dumpling and then you trick them. And when they bite into it, say, what? Round. Andre, work with me now. Andre said, no. This is my Round Festival and I'm gonna fry it.
Okay.
I want that one to fry here.
I'll make sure to put it in first.
You don't want to mash up the rest.
No.
All right, I'm gonna wash my hands, Andre.
Yeah, I'm gonna check on the fried
Festival
fish.
does taste good though. All right.
I think
Yes,
you need.
It don't cook and it tastes so good. Oh wow.
Exactly.
So, how's the fish looking, Andre?
Lovely. It's almost ready. I'm gonna try to pull them apart.
Okay. Let me see if I can find my little.
You're gonna be the platter for yes.
All right, I'm just washing off this. So you can put it on. Alrighty. Woohoo! I'm coming there. So the fish is frying and it's about ready to come out. That's the first set. If you don't mind, Andre, I'm actually going to put them on here. So I'm going to take this and just rinse this
You're going
off.
to use that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me a second. So when they're all on there, it's enough space, you know? Give me a second, my people. Working in the kitchen. Woohoo!
So where is it?
It's coming, I'm washing. Andre said, where is it? Andre, am I not working fast enough for you? I'm coming. All right, so again, my people, this is the Taste Jamaica Cooking Live. We're giving you a feel and a taste of what you can do on a Sunday and what the food is going to look and taste like when you visit our chef Andre at Bev and Sons. All right, Andre, talk us through it. Looks good.
Oh, yes.
Looking good. So Andre, so explain to everybody, how are you supposed to know that your fish is ready?
You'll know just by looking at the texture and how deep where the flesh is. You can see that it's already fried inside.
Yes, because it's nice and white.
Yes.
It's a nice, fluffy.
If it wasn't fried correctly, you would have seen like a red mark between there.
Okay, and that more translucent
Lucent
kind of look.
Yes.
All right, so that's when you know your fish is ready. Lord, I feel like touching it right now, but I shouldn't. I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting. So when do we put the Escovietch sauce that we made?
You're gonna let it cool for like 2 minutes, then you.
Okay, and
apply.
then we can put it on top?
Yeah.
Okay. And for the children who don't like pepper, what do you suggest?
Well, I don't think they would want the sauce, anyways.
Right. No, mine will. Mine
Without
likes
the pepper?
They love pepper. Yummy. Woo! So come, let's get the other ones in.
You want me to do the other ones, or you want me
Oh,
to
we're
fry
gonna
the
do the
festival?
Bammy.
on
No,
Bammy?
yes, let's do. You're right. Do the festival and the Bammy.
Okay.
See, a chef knows what to do at the right time, within the time. So we. Andre, I'm here. Yeah, ready. You said you're gonna fry my circular
Yes,
festival first.
Yes. So I'm gonna move this.
I'm going to tell you what if the circular festival tastes better than the long shape, long oval.
I don't think this will taste better. It'd be more like a dumpling. I'm sorry.
But he's frying it.
Yes, I'm frying it for you.
Stop trying to change up the menu, Empress. I'm eating your food, Andre. All right, so we rolled the festival. Again, sugar, flour, baking soda, and a little bit of salt. We rubbed it up. Yeah. Rolled it in some extra flour, and here we are. It looks good, Andre.
It does.
Lord, what's the other name for festival?
There's another name for it?
Yeah, man.
I think some people call it like corn or
When I
something.
say, yeah, I put you to the test. Yeah, man.
But why would you call it corn?
I don't know. Don't some people put cornmeal in them festival though?
Yes.
Yeah. I remember eating some of the elders' festival with the cornmeal in it. See, there are many ways to do. Wait, Andre, can I put some fried Bammy in too?
Of course.
Wait. I want to put some Bammy in because, my meal must have everything. You ready? We drop some of the Bammy. Just drop the Bammy in like
just
that?
drop it in.
Okay. One more?
Yes.
All right. My belly I go full. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Creator, for this beautiful country. Oh, hallelujah. It smells
Your
so
dumpling
good,
is
everybody. He is so funny. Why don't we give it a new name? Festi Dump.
Yes.
No, that doesn't sound nice. Let's call it Dump Fest. No, the dumpling. No, it's not working. It's not working.
What happened to your Bammy, your festival?
My festival, it is there. The round
The
one.
dumpling?
No, it's a festival. When you bite it, people, when you bite the can, you know, say, a festival. But we're on a cornmeal and food festival. So we're working out why some people call festival corn, and I think it's because I've seen some people put cornmeal in it. So, this is looking good. How are my viewers doing? Yes, yes. A lot of people in Jamaica are cooking up right now. All of my friends, my colleagues are cooking up. And this is a global, local thing where we're encouraging everybody to grow what you eat what you grow, and cook it up. Yeah, festive. Yes, I like that name. Thank you, Miss Overproof. Check out Empress's Festive. Yes. New style of festival. Oh my God. Trendy Abigail, you're hungry? I am going to eat it all up for you. I want to say thank you to all our friends watching at Tef Jamaica on Instagram and Facebook. Trust me, it tastes good. Can you all smell it? Yes. So Chef Lumley puts cornmeal in his. Big up yourself, Chef Lumley. Yes, that's why I didn't say a can, but this is not a can. This is a Andre's Festival and Empress's Festive. Yes. Dumpling. But it's all it's not dumplings. Stop it. You're terrible. All right, we have everything going. Yes. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna bring over the sauce right now. Yes, Horace Britton. Thank you, Chef Queenie. I will enjoy. Yeah, man, you can see, I love how you can see that it tastes good. That's one thing about food. You don't have to ask. From your look on it, and you see Andre is a cool and suave kind of chef. Oh my God, I wonder how the steamed fish going. Hold on. Me attack and nearly. Whoa, let me get to my steamed fish. Hey, why you leave my festive for last? You see the man is trying to, you're trying to butt up my festive.
It's going to take a longer while to soak.
You see, I bet you my festive tastes better. This is a challenge, Andre. Don't let me start. Because I'm a competitive person.
Okay.
I need where's my pot cover to pull up the pot?
But I think it's ready though.
All right.
I think it's ready for you.
Yes, you think so?
Yes.
All right. Ooh, but it's a little bit hot. Should I put this sauce on it now?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
I'm going to fry the other two right now.
Thank you so much. I'm right behind you. Put those in for me. Oh, yummy. Ooh, Lord.
Oh, the steam is bubbling.
So here I am, Andre. This is my steam. Come and help me out here. Steam is a whole different kettle of fish. There we go. Grab that spoon. How's it looking, Andre?
It's looking great.
How long before that's ready?
The steam?
Yeah.
Maybe 12 minutes. You have to give the potato time to cook. And
right. To really steam down.
Yeah.
Steam down. So.
I think maybe I need another pepper.
Another Scotch bonnet?
Yeah.
Sure. Just drop it in the pot?
Yeah, just wash that kind of in the pot.
I washed it already.
Okay.
You want me to wash it again?
Yes, of
All
course.
right. He doesn't trust. Watch me, people. I washed my Scotch bonnet. I washed my Scotch bonnet. I've washed my hands about 50 times in this kitchen today. Because when we cook clean, okay? All right. Now, Andre.
You gotta do steam on me as
I
well?
wanted to steam some. Can I just throw it in?
Yes, you can. Just put
I
it
not
in.
have to soak it in coconut milk?
No.
I normally soak it in some coconut
Yeah,
milk.
just put it on the top. You don't have to put it
It will just steam?
Yeah, it will just steam.
Yeah, I wanted some steamed Bammy. Bammy is made from cassava, people. You can grow cassava in your backyard. And I think they like grate it up and mash it up in the bag and thing, and then it turns to this, right? So it's made from cassava growing in your backyard. You can make your own Bammy at home.
Yeah.
There is a process. I've never made my own Bammy. I normally buy it. But you can grow your cassava to make your Bammy, all right? So all of these ingredients, except for the fish, you can grow in your backyard, right? All right. Well, yeah. Mainly everything. No. The crackers. No.
Not
Oh,
yet.
okay, okay. I got a little excited, people. I saw the
I need
crackers
the bam
coming.
I need the bam to soak for a little while
All
first.
right,
Then
yeah.
I can.
All right. So for all of us who've been soaking the bammy all night in a coconut water, coconut milk, my chef said, no, you could just put it in right there. All right. So I want to put a little bit of the sauce. Where's my sauce? Where did I put it? Okay, let me get my spoon. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I just can't hide it. Steamed fish and okra cooking in my kitchen. So hold on. Where is? Okay, here we go. So I am going to, if you don't mind, I'm going to come over here and get some of this on my. Hey kids, Uncle Andres cooked up some good food with mommy. All right, so Andre,
Yes,
I'm going to start decorate the fish here, you know.
of course.
This is when it becomes truly an Escovietch fish. Oh, look at that Scotch bonnet, the onions, the vinegar. Now, to your liking, you may not be one that wants the entire fish soaked, you know what I mean? So I don't like to kill it with the vinegar. So if
You know, you can just let the
let the onions do their thing,
Yeah.
right? It's good. And some pepper. How are we looking there? Oh,
Lovely.
Lord, that's perfect. Let me just put a couple more onions over here. This fish wants more onions. There we go. Oh, my Lord. Look at that. There we go. I am done. So we can put the rest of this up. So we are going to preserve and save everything, Andre. So we can store this for a rainy day.
Of course.
All right. Put it in the fridge, right? Okay.
You don't even have to put it in the fridge. You can just put it up on the cupboard.
Okay. There you go.
As long as it's covered.
Okay. So as long as it's covered. Now look at my festive. While you
The dumpling, yes.
listen, you know I'm lot it hot, hot, hot. Woo. Let's see how my festive tastes. Andres.
So you're not going to give me any? Okay. Okay, you have a point. It tastes good.
Empress is festive. Taste Jamaican. All right, back to the pot. All right. I feel like I want to clean up my kitchen as we go. Nah, clean up later. All right. I'm going to put the steamed fish in here when we're ready, yeah?
Okay.
Andre, it smells so good.
It does.
It really does smell good. All my Instagram friends, how's it looking? Yeah, Miss Overproof, chef, she says to stop bad mind my festive, because you know it tastes good. All right.
So maybe about a minute or two. And
No mind, don't worry. The pot is full. But you're right. When we're done, you're going to see how it all comes together. And this is the Helsha style, right? Bev and Sons is where you go. How do I order? Well, I don't know if you could order today, but chef, some of our viewers want to know, how do we order?
They can call in and order.
You can call in and order. Now, while I eat my festive, some people are wondering if we have too much water in our pot.
No.
Talk to them,
No,
chef.
it's not. Trust me. It's the right amount.
Because we also have crackers to add.
Exactly. The crackers roll.
Soak up. All right, let's see. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. We're putting in the crackers now, so we'll see how much it soaks up. But here's my thing. If you have extra juice, make some soup. Nothing will go to waste in this kitchen, my people. What you say, Instagram? If it's too much water, drain some off and turn it in a soup. Oh, this is good. Smelling good. Do I need to turn down my fire, Andre, or
No,
you
it's
want
fine,
it?
it's
Okay.
fine. I should do that then.
Okay. Absolutely delicious. One big pot full of all of the most beautiful spices here in Jamaica. The fish is loving it, and we're about to love it too. Mmm, mmm. All right. So, Andre, when we say Helsha style, is it something about the area, or is it just something about Bev and Sons that just does it a little differently?
I think it's both.
Yeah?
It's both, yeah.
So everybody has their own touch.
Yes.
As I said, some people, like Chef Lumley, Virgin, say him put corn, meal in a theme festival. But I'm not
And
going to
get the
lie.
same feel,
I don't know. This festival tastes good, though.
you know?
Oh, my gosh. I just can't
I
wait
did
to...
this because you did it.
No, mine is festive. I haven't
Okay.
tasted your festival.
Okay.
My festive does taste good.
All right.
Yeah. So what are we saying? Like 20 minutes we should have a meal? Like how long have we
Yeah,
been
like
in the
maybe
kitchen?
20 minutes the most. Yeah.
Yep. And ladies, when you're cooking, wrap up your hair. Yeah. And see the African apron? Yeah. That's how we're doing it. New style of cooking in Jamaican kitchens. But I'm so happy to be with Andre from Bev and Sons. It's really nice that we get an opportunity to cook live and taste our food and remember our food. So many people are so quick to run to foreign places to eat foreign food and say it's exotic, but we have the most exotic and natural food here in Jamaica. This is our cuisine. We've shown you the easiest way to cook it at home, the Helsha way. But if you actually go to Helsha, then you will be able to taste it, because it probably all tastes different when you cook it at Helsha. But this is my fried fish. I am so ready to get into this. I know I'm supposed to wait, but let me tell you. Cassava, Bammy. I asked Andre if it's going to be tough. My braces can't bite in a fried Bammy, but I'm going to try. And there is our pickled concoction, our onion, scotch bonnet, and pimento with some vinegar makes our Escovietch sauce that we put on top of the fish after it's cooled. It looks good.
It does.
I know.
I
I'm
think
like,
I'm going to eat all this.
no, you eat who? No, darling. This one.
Aren't we supposed to share?
I'm going to taste your festival.
And I'm going to eat all the fish.
No, you know what? Wait. No, you can't. No. I don't know where to start. Let's keep steaming. And then we come back. But this is really good. So how much to fetch one of these in Helsha now at Bev and Sons? If we're going to buy one of these now?
Like everything?
Like in this.
It depends.
So how many people going to eat this now? 3 people?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're not going to tell us the price? It's free today for you all to eat
Yes, it
virtually.
is.
All right, everybody get
Trust
ready.
me, it's reasonable.
It's reasonable. Yeah. This is good. I love it. You know, I'm so hungry. I'm still eating my festive though, before I taste his festival, to tell you which one tastes better. Man said no, festival will look one way, long way like that.
How is it?
Good.
Okay.
Let's check on the steamed fish now, boss.
All right. I think it's about ready.
Ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. You go and check. I'm still here. Dying to eat. Hungry.
Oh, yes.
Jamaican style.
Lovely.
Salt, pepper, and grounded pimento. That's what we season the fried fish with. Then we slit it in 3 to make sure the seasoning went inside on both sides and in the middle of the fish. Then we put it in some very hot oil with a whole scotch bonnet. We fried it. We pickled our
I
sauce.
think this is about ready.
Oh, I hear something say ready. What's ready? My steam? Oh, hallelujah. Today is a Sunday and it's Sunday dinner. We give thanks for the opportunity to eat Jamaican food right here at home. Let's get over here, my people. Woo. You're going to put it there or you want something else? You want to add it to this?
I'm going to put it in this.
Yep. All right. All right, everybody start singing with me. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. There is nothing sweeter than this. All right, we're getting ready. Okay, so you see how he's putting the crackers around the edges there? So this is the plating part. I'm not really the best at plating, so Andre, I'm leaving this to you.
So you're not being any help at all?
No, excuse me, I've been helping. I'm getting ready to eat.
I'm joking.
What more would you want? Listen, is there anything better than somebody eating your food? Tell me.
Helping.
No, I helped already. Sorry, Andre.
This is lovely.
Oops. Andre, I'm getting my plate ready.
You're getting what?
I'm getting my plate ready to eat.
Really?
Yes. Oh. Jamaica would never forgive me or our friends in the diaspora if I didn't sit down and enjoy the meal and tell them how it tastes. All right. Lord have mercy, it looks good.
It does.
This is the best day,
Really?
one of the best days of my life.
And you
I
haven't
get to
gotten the
eat
food already?
What? I tell you, you can already tell how it's going to taste when you look at it.
I think I'm going to have a hard time taking out these.
Because I told you my pot was too small and you say I can use my pot.
It's not.
It's all right?
Yeah, it's all right.
All right. Oh, yum.
It's all right. It's not.
Wanya, Andre, I'm ready.
You ready?
I think I should have 2 plates. One for my fry and one for my steam.
I think you already do.
I'm not giving you any though.
I know.
Are you going to eat? Do you eat your own food?
Of course.
All right. You want a plate too?
No, I think
All
today
right.
is your day.
Okay. Well, I have my plate setting up. I'm putting my 1 plate of steam. Yeah, I think I should go for the biggest piece. You know, there's no shame in my game. I love to eat. And when I was growing up, I was always looking for the biggest plate at the table. All right. Somebody said we should have had the okra last. Chef Queenie, you don't know that style, yeah? This style different. You see, we want the gummy from the okra and we want it juice up and, you know, slimy-ish and depends on what you like. But I am going to see. All right, my mouth is watering. Carlene Davis on Instagram. Yes, man. Chef Queenie, you see you? Me I go tell you how it tastes. Don't worry, Chef Queenie have our style, man. Don't worry. Who said poor Emprezz? I'm doing well. Oh, why? You see, Uno? I am going to tell you how the food tastes. Don't you worry about, oh my God, look at this steam plate. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, you know what, people? Oh my gosh, it looks good. Getting ready for it. So, all right. Look at that steamed fish. Yummy. I'm going to turn off the stove, Andre, or the fried fish. What about these two
I
in
want to
here?
take them out right now.
All right, so we're going to turn off the stove because I'm trying to save gas, you know. Electricity and gas. So if you're at home, turn off your stove at the right time so you save electricity and gas. This is my electrical stove. Yeah. And you know those bills get high. All right. So, oh my gosh, I feel I could eat that whole steamed fish plate over there, like the whole thing. Like I don't want to separate it. I just want to. Oh my gosh, it looks good. You're gonna plate this one for me, Andre? Thank you. So we added these two, and I'm gonna also put some sauce on it. Yes, stay there with my Escovietch fish. Oh, yummy. There we go. And as I said, my people, if you've made enough and you have excess, this is a lot of onion. That's because some people in my family like a lot of onion. So I put a lot on that piece. You can now bottle this, cover it up, and use it again next Sunday or next Friday night when you do your fried fish, the Escovietch for your friends. If you run a boat, you just have to do the fish. You don't have to do this, get through this process. It's already done, and it probably even tastes better because it's being pickled for a while. Yeah? All right. So, now, I think it's about time I start trying to eat some of this food because, you know, all right. No, I'm going to wait. I'm going to have patience. I'm going to have patience. Oh, Lord, give me patience because the food tastes so good. I mean, I taste it yet, you know, but I know it tastes good. Smells good. And, you know, my people, I'm straight up. If I don't like something, I'm going to tell you. And everybody knows I love my fish. I love fish. Andre and I, yeah, we had a little argument about whether or not the festival can be round or long oval. But we're going to stick to his festival on my plate. I don't know if my teeth can get into fried Bammy. I told him my teeth, the braces, I can't eat fried Bammy. So I know there's some steamed Bammy over there. Some of our viewers said, boy, no man, the okra for going last. But it depends on how you like your okra in your fish. I showed you, you can bite okra live. You can pick it from your garden and just eat it. If you run out of electricity or gas, you can still yam your okra. But we had a chance to cook ours in the steam fish. Lord have mercy. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica. Taste Jamaica. Chef Andre from Bev and Sons has blessed me. First thing you have to do is let that smell linger. Let that tummy go, and time to eat. Oh my gosh, bring it, oh my gosh. Somebody take a picture. Where's my phone? I'm gonna post this and let the people know I cooked it. No, I didn't. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, Andre. I have to take a picture. Andre, this is when you show off to your friends in foreign.
You did all it.
Thanks. Andre, say it again, tell the people. For those who just turned on, tell them, say it again. Say it again.
Only a one-time offer.
Oh my god, it's so funny. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at the colors. From the garden, people, you can cut your own thyme, your own okra, your own pumpkin. All of this you can grow at home. You can grow your own potato, your onion, your scotch bonnet, and then it tastes even better when you can put it on your plate, eat what you grow what you eat, and eat healthy fish with Andre. People, give me a moment. Oh God, I don't know where to start. This is very emotional. Oh God, that just came out the pot. So let me start here. This is too much. You know, okay. I need to get into it because the people want me to tell them how it tastes. All right, my team, take a picture. Take a quick picture. We can play it after. We can do another plate because I have to tell the people. I don't eat fried fish with a fork. Okay? And that's something that I want to talk about. when you come to Jamaica and there are certain foods that you buy, I don't know where the fork comes in. And fried fish is one of them. Jerk chicken is the other. You know? And you know I'm all pro-Africa because most of us come from Africa. You know what I'm saying? That's where our culture is from. And everything we do, it has an African influence and other cultures. But when it's Jamaican, it's just unique, a Jamaican thing this. And so, when you are eating, even the steamed fish, you're lucky if I put the fork on it too. As long as it's cool enough. I think food tastes better when you're using your hands. I'm going to wash my hands again. Yes, because I'm very pro-African, Andre. And you know, my husband and I cook a lot of African food.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And you have to wash your hands and eat with your hands. You see? This limits the taste, Andre. You see any fork at Hellshire? People have fork at Hellshire?
Yes.
When they eat fried fish?
No.
Oh, that much? No. All right, people, let me tell you how it tastes. First, I'm going to taste the onion. Woo! Pepper nice. Let's get into it. Oh, God, Andre. Talk. I'm going to eat. Perfect.
I think you're already doing enough talking. So how does it taste? I think they want to know.
You know? I nearly swallowed the bone. Somebody said it's over fried. It is perfect. The right salt and pepper. I can't stand eating a fried fish, and I can't taste the salt and pepper on it. You know, when they cook that bland, that's not for me. Andre, let me taste your. It's a better texture. Andre's Festival tastes nicer than mine because it's thinner, it's crunchier, so you win. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Let's get into the fried fish now. All right, we have steamed fish. Oh Lord, I'm confused. The okra is not overcooked. It's perfect. Pumpkin people, you grow this in your backyard, put it in your pot of steam. Oh God. It's so good. Let me get into my Bammy. Jamaican cassava, ton Bammy. I give thanks. The culture sweet. And you see all this sauce you all were talking about? Oh gosh. Perfect texture, Andre.
You're welcome.
You know, if this was 18 and over, I would tell you what this kind of food does to me. But because it's Sunday and God is watching, I'm just going to say it makes me feel good. No, this is so good. And the pepper is perfect. Let me tell you something. Jamaica, to all our friends watching across the world, you'll soon be allowed to come. And when you come, I don't care where you go, Montego Bay, St. Elizabeth, make sure that you get to Hellshire, to Bevan Sons, and ask for Andre. I have lost a lot of work during this time, and I think I'm going to join you. This is my new career. I'm going to be cooking with Andre. It's so good. And, you know, children, families, this is something you can do at home. There's a space for everybody to get involved, whether it's growing the food, bringing it to the kitchen, washing it, rolling the festival or the corn, You know, this is something that everybody can get involved in and do. Let us continue to promote our culture. Thank you to the Tourism Linkages Network, a department of the Tourism Enhancement Fund, for giving us this Taste Jamaica Cooking Live. Andre, thank you so much. I feel like I could hug you, but we have to keep a little distance.
I think it kind of...
Yeah, about that. Bye.
All right.
Thanks, Andre.
You're welcome. So you're not gonna share it?
No, sure, nothing. Well, I can't have that part then.
Okay.
I'll make sure I carry something for my son. I love fried fish. Oh my God, this is good. I'm not very dignified when I eat, you know, I'm hungry.
I think it's okay. I think most people eat that way. Anyway.
Bye, everybody. Thank you. I wish I could give you some virtually. Maybe in the next 40 years, we'll be able to push it through the screen and you can taste it too. But for now, taste Jamaica at home or visit Andre at Bevan Sons. Love you all. Thank you.